afternoon, my dears, my sweet little children. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, what are you doing? You are watching video? Yes or no? Yes. So, my dear student, look here. In previous lectures, we are learning to write A to Z in sequence. So we have learned all the letters to write in sequence. Today we are going to write all the letters together. A to Z. Today we are going to write all the letters in sequence A to Z. So you are ready to write? In the notebook, A to Z. We have learned all the letters in sequence. So today we are going to write all the letters in sequence. Sharpen your pencil properly. Don't overwrite. If it is there, erase it with eraser, and after that you start writing. First, take help of your mama will put dot in your notebook and you start writing. Tell me which letter will come first? Do you know which letter will come first? A. Which letter will come first? A. So how we will write letter A? How we will write letter A? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Which letter is this? A. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for arrow. A for alligator. A. Which letter is this? A. After A, which letter will come? After A, which letter will come? After A, B. Which letter will come? B. So how we will write B? Standing line, half curve, and again half curve. Which letter is this? B. B for ball. B for bat. B for bus. B for balloon. A, B. After B, which letter will come? C. Which letter will come? C. So how we will write letter C? From upper line to base line, half curve. Upper line to base line, half curve. Which letter is this? C. C for cat. What does cat say? Cat say meow meow. C for cup. You drink milk in cup. C for children. A, B, C. After C, which letter will come? D. Which letter will come? D. So how we will write D? First we will write standing line, and after that half curve. First we will put standing line, and after that half curve. Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? D. D for doll. D for door. D for drum. D for doctor. A, B, C, D. After D, which letter will come? E. Which letter will come? E. So how we will write letter E? Standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping which letter is this? E. E for elephant. E for ears. E for eyes. A, B, C, D, E. After E, which letter will come? F. After E, F will come. So how we will write letter F? First we will write standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So which letter is this? F. F for fish. F for fun. F for fan. A, B, C, D, E, F. After F, which letter will come? Do you know which letter will come? G. So how we will write G? First we will write curve, half curve, then standing line, and after the sleeping line. So which letter is this? G. Which letter is this? G. G for girl. G for green color. G for grapes. G. After G, which letter will come? H. Which letter will come? H. So how we will write letter H? Standing line, and then sleeping line. H. H for horse. H for hair. What is the color of hair? Black. H for hand. Shake your hands, all of you. Shake your hands. Good. G, H. After H, which letter will come? I. Which letter will come? I. So how you will write letter I? Sleeping line, and standing line. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for iron. G, H, I. After I, which letter will come? J. So how we will write letter J? What you will do first? First sleeping line, standing line, and then curve. Which letter is this? J. J for joker. Where you see joker? In the circus. J for joker. J for jug. J for jam. J for jar. G, H, I, J. After J, which letter will come? K. Which letter will come? K. So how we will write letter K? First, standing line. After that, slanting line up, slanting line down. K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for letter will come? O. So how you will write letter O? In a circle. Start from upper line, draw a circle till upper line. O. O for orange. O for orange color. O for octopus. M N O. After O, which letter will come? P. So how you will write letter P? Steady line, half curve. Which letter is this? P. P for parrot. P for pen. P for pencil. P for pink color. M N O P. After P, which letter will come? Q. So how we will write Q? First we will make circle and after that we will make a tail. Q. Which letter is this? Q. After Q, Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for Q. After Q, which letter will come? R. Which letter will come? R. So how you will write R? Standing line, half curve and then slanting line. R for red color, R for rose, R for red, M N O P Q R. After R, which letter will come? S. Which letter will come? S. So how you will write letter S? First half circle, then again half circle. So which letter is this? S. S for soap, S for sun, S for school. S. After S, which letter will come? T. So how you will write letter T? Sleeping line and standing line. T. T for tiger. T for telephone. T for table. S. T. After T, which letter will come? U. Which letter will come? U. So first standing line, then curve and up. Which letter is this? U. U for umbrella, U for under, U for up. S T U. After U, which letter will come? V. So how we will write letter V? Slanting line down and slanting line up. V. V for van. V for vulture. V for violet color. S T U V. After V, which letter will come? W. Which letter will come? W. So how we will write letter W? Slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down and again slanting line up. So which letter is this? W. W for watch, W for wait, W for wall, this is which letter will come? Z. How you will write Z? Sleeping line, slanting line, and again sleeping line. Z. Which letter is this? Z. Z for zebra. Z for zigzag. Z for zoo. What you see in zoo? Animals. Animals live in zoo. So, what we have done today? We have learned to write A to Z in sequence. First we have learning pattern. Now we have learned to write A to Z in sequence. So everybody know to write capital letter in sequence. A to Z. So complete this in your notebook. Complete this in your notebook. Take help of your parents and complete it. So now I am winding up my class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.